Hey there folks, it's Yakan here for Trying Ground. So today, special unboxing is featuring the Shell Malaysia's Shell Motorsport collection, the Ferrari SF90. Yes, this elusive model. Okay, if you want to get it right now, you have to purchase the Shell Helix 4-liter engine oil pack in order to get this guy here. Okay, so I'm just only showing the car model here today, and let's start unboxing it. Okay. So you gotta take the car out. Wow, cool. So here it is, the SF90. Take the base out. Cool, very nice. Okay, look at that. It's nice. So as you can see, the front wing, okay, it's quite sturdy. Okay, front steering also not bad, movable. And okay, you have the halo here as well. Very cool, accurate replica. Okay, but one thing, the side mirrors here is rubber. It's made out of rubber, so it has a rubbery feeling into it. But nonetheless, overall, the whole car feels very sturdy onto it. So at the rear wing, yeah, it's really nice, cool as well. So at the bottom is where you need to uncover this part and put in the Bluetooth battery pack onto here. Yeah, and then you can start using this car to race via the Shell Racing app. Okay, yes, so you need to download the app here. Okay, there's a QR code over here. You just scan it and you can start using it. All right, so basically that's it. Yeah, you have to use your smartphone to control the remote control car, and it's available right now, I think. Okay, so be sure to enjoy this Shell Motorsport collection, this Ferrari SF90 in Malaysia, when you purchase a Shell Helix 4-liter pack. Okay, all right guys, so I'm gonna sign off. So basically that's all for the unboxing. Okay, hopefully you guys like this kind of content. Okay, and if you're still new to the YouTube channel, hey, please go ahead and subscribe, like the video, follow us on social media as well, share it out, share the video, drop some comments, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Okay,